Hello guys, did you know the dish with the most bragging rights in Nigeria is from Akwa Ibom State, and it's called Afang soup. So now I'll be taking you on a tour on how we prepare this dish. Follow me.
Hi, welcome everybody. My name is Chef Amani, Chef Amani 2.0. Today I have you in my kitchen, and today we're going to be cooking Afang soup, one of Calabar's finest. Very, very nice soup. And on this table here with me, we've got all the ingredients. We've got very nice.
Thank you for the introduction. Hello guys, this is the real Chef Amani right here. So today, you know how we do it. We're making Afang soup. Welcome to your neighborhood once again. And we have our ingredients here. He doesn't know what we're doing. He's the taster. I'm the real guy.
Get the taster. Chef Amani 2.0, I'm not going to disappoint. We have ginger. Very, very nice. Very, very healthy. We've got pepper.
Calm down. It's not pepper. It's pepper.
Pepper. Pepper. We've got salt. Salt, very, very nice.
You know what? Leave this work first. We have water leaf. See here. We have Afang that pounded it.
Very nice Afang.
Calm down. We have Ngulu with periwinkle.
Ngulu Kante.
AKA seafood. We have smoked fish. We have seasoning cubes. We have a palm oil.
Yep.
Any extra thing we'll tell you during the video what we want to do.
Absolutely.
Let's get on with it.
If you're not here,
you're missing out. But don't forget, click the subscribe button below.
Yep.
Just keep the neighborhood popping in. If you want to see more things from your neighborhood all around Nigeria, keep subscribing.
Every subscription gets a free plate of Chef Amani 2.0, not the original Chef Amani. Alright? So subscribe. I promise you, man, you get food delivered.
Alright, enough with the shenanigans. We have our onions, thinly sliced for our goat meat, have some salt, have some pepper, have some ginger spices, some pepper soup spice, some seasoning cubes, and your stockfish. You slice your pomo. It's very strong now, but the pressure pot will do the job. You add some water, get it a bit slightly above the meat. You know how it is, light it up. I'm using a pressure pot now. The traditional will be normal pot. You steam your beef inside, but I don't have that time to waste, so that's why I'm using a pressure pot. No, my guys wouldn't complain either. So that's my snail. As you can see in the kitchen, we're all vibing together, having fun. When guys are in the kitchen, you know what's up. Only one woman, Shaba. That's Uche, see the dimples, and we're vibing, having fun with the Modu Black, killing us with the vibe. You know what it is. So, bachelor's life, this is how it is, sir. So let's go back. My pressure pot has done the magic. Look at my stockfish, all soft and yummy, 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 yummy. Transfer that into a pot. Throw our stockfish, our ngulu, periwinkle, our snail, stir it up, give it a boil, bring it down. In our empty pot, you put some palm oil, allow it to fry up for a little bit, add our water leaves. Now you keep stirring and mixing that oil well with the water leaves to get that slightly brown wilted color. Add some more water leaves and some more palm oil just to balance everything out. Then you stir, give it a stir. Allow it to cook a little bit. Then you introduce your beef and your goat meat and all the wishy inside the pot. Turn it inside and stir it. Once it starts heating up, you see the oil will start covering everywhere. Turn it around, turn it around. See, that's the soup, a combination of leaf and different forms of meat and all that. This soup, you can add anything inside, the fresh pepper, any kind of protein. What do you want? So then after stirring, bring it to a boil. We'll add our afang leaves to give it that thickness, and now looks really, really leafy and all that. Then you leave that for like 30 seconds or 1 minute, and after that you turn off your stove. You add your palm oil. You want that cold palm oil to mix up with the heat of the soup so they can have that oil filling in every nook and cranny of your soup. See, enjoyment. This reminds me of grandma's cooking then, when all the grandchildren would gather at home and we would, grandma, we came for visiting, I want to eat. What do you want to eat? Afang soup and fufu. It will be the butty children. Grandma will be like, go and fix this for them, go and do it for them. But now I'm seeing only two places. You know how we do it now. We are not in polygamous home. We are in the city now, so we keep everything fresh and clean. See, big meat. Kai. Enjoyment good. Enjoyment good. See soup. Alright guys, this is all you can do for now. You can only see but you can't taste. If you want to taste, you holler at the neighborhood city and Chef Emmanuel will do the job for you. You know how it is. This is our taster, second taster. Anyway, that's what all of them came for. Look at his face. Sees it all. Alright, see other people here. This life, Savi cook, they know if you see you finish.
I think we need more Eba first of all.
So as I was saying, right, I was walking in the other room and I was perceiving the aroma and I had to tell them to calm down. I'm going on a break, a lunch break. It's going to be a 1 hour lunch break. They shouldn't expect me to come on the job again until I finish this chow, man, because I have like my own soups and everything, but this one, I'm going for it, man.
Actually, this is the first time I'm eating this soup here. Yeah. This is the first time I'm eating this soup. Afang. I've never eaten it, but I wasn't here when they were cooking it. But God, I need more gari because I want to eat another one. I normally will not eat beyond this, but are you kidding me? I want more.
12 hours is a lot.
They cooked 12 hours. You know, cooking for 4 days.
3
hours.
2 hours.
Stop. Continue cooking, and the quality was still there, from what I heard. So.